Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Game-based learning offers a captivating and immersive experience, making education more enjoyable and engaging. It also promotes critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills, preparing learners for real-life challenges. Today, I would like to introduce a platform where teachers can create a variety of games for their students, completely free of charge. So let's take a quick look at the types of games you can create using this platform. You can create froggy jumps, unscrambled letters, crosswords, word search, map quiz, video quiz, matching columns, memory games, ABC games, and many more. 5 billion games to play and reuse. You can duplicate other games to make your own version. You can save it to your Google Classroom and other platforms, and you can create challenges for groups. So here we go. This is a website called Educaplay. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So you need to first log in. So I need to click here. So you can log in your Google account and you can start by clicking a new activity. Once you click a new activity, you can see here there are a lot of options available. You can create any game and you can also reuse the games of other teachers which is already there. Let's try to make one interesting game. So let's try to make froggy jumps. I need to click here and there is an option. It's called I am Ray. This is like artificial intelligence which can create the quiz or the game by itself. Just give the topic and it's create. Or you can also create your own question, or it can be hybrid. For example, you can take the questions from Ray and also add your own question. So let me try something here. I'm writing life cycle of a star for a student of grade 7, let's say, and need to click on this green button. It's generating now. You can see here. You can see a question has been generated and there are 10 questions has been generated. So you can also copy, delete, or edit the questions. So let's see how you can share with and how students can play. Here you can see the yellow button. Just click on this and it's published. So you can share through a link. Click here and see this is the link you can share with your students and students can play. You can also share activity through Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, LTI, and you can also embed the activity in your website. So let me take this link and try to play. So I pasted the link. You can see here my Google account is Teaching Partner. So it's coming here. I need to click start as a player. So your students interfaces be like this. Need to click. And you can see there's a very interesting sound. What is the final stage of life cycle of a massive star? So it will be a white dwarf or neutron star or black hole. Let me go to black hole. So my answer is correct. So you can survive more. What is the first stage in the life cycle of a star? I think it's nebula. So on. So students can play and they can get marks. There is a timer you can see, and this is really amazing. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm not going to show so many games. Let's move back for new activity. So similarly, there are a lot of other options are available. The interface is very user friendly and you can create very quickly and nice games. And there are some options you can make advanced setting, changing the times, and you can preview the game and you can publish. So please explore and try. It's very user friendly. I tried multiple games and it works very well. Please try some games, and if you like the games you can write in a comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.